doing?
14 Pro. Didish. Ta 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 ta. Ladies and gentlemen, unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro, my first change in phones in 4 years. Yes, it is. And we're looking forward to what magic this new version brings to us. Don't pay attention to my fingers, pay attention to this magnifico phone. Opens up like this. This is an interesting way of opening this. And then I ordered the space gray, while my wonderful wife decided to order the purple. She's the one recording the video, by the way. So the 3 camera setup with massive fun resolutions, and now and we shall try to start it. Let's see if it starts okay. An apple a day. An apple a day. Hello, Siri. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the iPhone 14. This is not iPhone 14 Pro, rather. And solid build, feels a little heavy. Of course, speakers here. And I'm looking forward to using this camera. Thank you very much, wifey. And